What's up, ceeandtaiyatv gang? We out for another video. So today we sit here and trying out baby food, and and y'all know my stomach is weak, so I can't deal with all the taste buds and stuff from the baby. So before you get to this video, hit like, comment, subscribe to this channel. If you're new, hit like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And what you do, babe?
Make sure to hit that bell, share, repost. Make sure you share it to your mom, your dad, and side check everybody. Let them know what's going on over here.
And that's what y'all need to do, okay? Don't be afraid to hit that button. Just go ahead and hit it. And just watch us, because we got new content every time we come out, okay?
And we told y'all, since we made it to 2, we had something special for y'all. So now we need y'all to get us about to 5K. So let's go ahead and do it. Stop playing with us.
Yes. Just go ahead. Just roll with it. We're going to roll with it. We're going to continue on and getting these numbers up, okay? Just for y'all. If it wasn't for us and it wasn't for y'all, we won't have this. You know what I'm saying? So let's run these numbers up. 5K. And let's get this shit rolling. So we got all the baby food right here, and I'm afraid because I haven't ate the baby food in a long time.
I don't remember eating no baby food. I hope.
Yeah, but still, you got to eat the baby food. So we got all types of stuff going on. We got peach, we got bananas. We got apples. She thinks she's slick. And then we got vegetable chicken. Then we got butternut squash. We got carrots.
We got some juice.
We got juice. Sweet potato pie. We got this turkey. We got mango.
Carrots.
Pear mango, avocado. We got the peanut butter and strawberry flavor. And then we also got the chips, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start. Which one you want to start first?
I don't surprise me. Don't surprise me now, because you know you're gonna pick something. I ain't gonna. I don't like none of this at all.
So we're gonna try out the vegetable chicken. Yeah. How you open this doggone thing?
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, there you go. Come on. That's how you want to.
Why you gonna make me go first?
Chill. Come on. Come on. Don't start. Don't do that. You gonna start it. Come on.
I ain't even ready. Why you can't go first? Why I got to go first?
No, both of them gonna try it together.
Just give me some. I ain't ready.
Just go. What the fuck I just ate? God damn, I didn't know I was up. Woo, shit, this ain't right. Woo.
This was your idea.
Oh, this is nasty as a motherfucker. This is nasty, y'all. Ugh. Whew. I'm gonna try the apples next. I better go get the cook, cause this is nasty. This ain't right. The apple good.
You was not supposed to taste it. We were supposed to both taste it.
Well, you took too long. What spoon there?
I got my spoon. You cheating already.
Okay, come on, let's try this, okay? I'm with you on this one. Swallow it.
It's okay, I guess.
I love this one.
I ain't eating no more.
Okay. That was the apple, y'all. Then we got the butternut squash. Whew.
Babe, why you up?
Okay. Ready?
I'm doing this for y'all, man. We doing this for y'all.
Come on.
Baby.
We ready?
Mm-mm.
Shit. Ooh, Lord, no.
I gotta brush my teeth after this shit. What the fuck is going on with you?
Ooh, that was some
Yeah,
damn.
I'll pass you the goddamn trash can. You spit the cock got that shit out or something.
Shit, that ain't gonna work. Bananas. Come on. No, try it, baby.
Man, I'm traumatized.
Dude, we've been traumatized. Now, come on. Come on. This, come on.
Shit stink.
This, come on.
I don't want to. Yeah.
Oh, it's bad to me.
Cause you don't like bananas.
Ugh.
Or do you?
I like it's the banana, but not this type of banana.
This ain't bad.
Oh.
Banana's cool. Banana's cool. I can taste the banana.
Let's try this
Banana's really not bad.
one. Yeah, she gonna eat that, y'all.
I'm not.
Okay, so we got these organic veggie puffs. So we're gonna try one.
Fresh from the goddamn fresh.
Woo, shit. That ain't gonna work. And then we got the organic peat.
She trying to kill me, man.
Not trying to kill you. We was trying to eat this stuff. She not gonna eat all of it.
Don't,
Try it. Try it. Try it.
I don't know what it smells like, but it smells.
I don't eat peanut butter. I eat. I'm sick of this shit. Woo, shit. Oh, And then the pear, mango, avocado.
Can't talk.
Yeah, cause it's nasty. Oh, it's making it worse and worse every time. When I was a baby, did I eat this? Mama in heaven, did I eat this? You feel like I throw back all that door, baby, please. You got throw.
Give me that trash can.
Like you see, you wanna try it?
Do I even have a choice?
Yeah, so we're gonna try this, y'all.
I can't even say nothing. We're doing this for y'all.
Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Come
This shit don't make no fucking sense. What is?
Come on.
Man. Give me a second.
Baby, just put it on the.
I know. I'm trying to wipe off my damn spoon. Give me a damn minute.
Come on. She don't like this, y'all. I don't like him. About to fucking kill me. Damn it!
Oh, hell no!
This
like it's bad, but it's not bad.
It just mixed too much in there.
It's bad, but it's not bad. That's the only thing that's making it better is the pear and the mango. But the avocado, I don't know.
Ooh, shit.
But I taste the sweetness. That I do.
Let me get this peach. Not bad. Peach, it's not bad at all. Okay, peach. I don't like all that. We got the sweet potato, we got the carrots, and we got the turkey and its juice left.
Nah, you ain't did it right. Let me see it.
No, we ain't supposed to be doing that.
You gotta do it like your grandmama used to. My grandmama, she made me make sure you hold that fruit like that and
It's already popped. Mine's popped harder than yours.
whatever.
You try to do like everybody else. You can't do like that. Now eat this doggone
Hey, what you trying to say?
sweet potato pie. That's what I said.
It's not sweet potato pie, it's sweet potato. Bam. I don't even like sweet potato. I'm just gonna say that now. I ain't finna try this shit.
Don't try it. Don't try it. Try it.
Nope.
Come on. You cannot do that.
I already don't like sweet potato.
Come on, man. You cheating, man.
No ma'am. Nuh-uh. Nope. Nope. Nuh-uh.
We're gonna try the turkey. Ooh,
That
smell like some tuna. Ooh.
This shit smell like when your baby did some poo-poo on the back of their back, on the sides, all over the covers, everything except for the diaper.
Ooh.
That smell bites.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, try it. Nah, my stomach turned, man. I don't know about this one, man. I ain't trying to be funny, y'all, but I ain't gonna try.
Just try it for 10.
No, come on, man. You can't do like that. Come on. Oh, you eat tuna anyway. Come on.
So that's different. Eat tuna fish salad.
Come on, let's go. Oh shit!
And I
You thought? Woo! Just throw the whole damn thing away.
Oh my god.
Ooh, that was some nasty shit, y'all. That was some nasty shit.
My eyes watering.
Ooh, Lord, there's some nasty stuff going on. Now we got this juice. We got kiwi, strawberry kiwi, Gerber.
I'm scared.
Let me see. It's less sugar, but it's good.
Definitely less sugar.
Less sugar, but it's good though. And carrots is the last thing. Whew. Come on. And I don't eat carrots like that.
I want some damn Popeyes.
It's not really bad.
But it ain't good neither.
It's not good either, but it's not bad, y'all. So we try all the baby food for y'all. Have y'all ever tried the baby food challenge? Leave a comment below. If you haven't, still leave a comment below, because this shit is nasty as hell.
And y'all let us know what was. See, I got some on my damn shirt. Y'all let us know what was your favorite part in this video. What are your comments? Make sure y'all comment in the comment box below.
Because it was nasty.
And we did this for y'all.
Okay.
Y'all. We told you we had something special for y'all since we had made it to the 2K game.
2K.
So we thank y'all for the support, the likes, the shares, the reposts, everything. Y'all keep it going. We'll make sure we keep content for y'all. Also, if y'all have any merch that y'all want to be able to send to the ceeandtaiyatv game, make sure y'all look under the description box below. It has the address and everything. Y'all send us on to that, but when we make our next video, we can post it in our next video. Make sure we give a shout out to y'all.
And we are